Welcome to BarbecuePitBoys.com. Today we're cooking up some bacon and cheese beer bread at the pit, and it's real easy to do. All right, let's show you how we put this together. You're going to need some flour, some sugar, some baking powder. Here we've got some SPG. You're going to need some cornmeal, some cheese crackers, some cooked bacon, some shredded cheese. You're going to need an egg. And here we've got some diced onion. We got some parsley. We got some cooking spray. And here we got the magic. We got some beer. All right, let's put this together. Now, we've thrown in the flour. And to that, we're adding sugar, baking powder, some of them cheese crackers, some cornmeal. It's not, told you it's going to be easy. We're going to season it just a little bit, right? We happen to be using some SPG, just a little bit, right? You can head on over to our website to get the exact ingredients, and you can print it out too, right? Now, grab your all-purpose pit tool, your old hick, and give it a good mix. We'll start with the dry mix here. Mix it up good. Now, Wolfman from our Barbecue Pit Boys Wolf and Rooster chapter is showing you how to get it done here. And like I said, it's real easy to do, right? Now, here's the magic. Get yourself a bottle of beer. Use your favorite beer, right? Oh, man. Gotta figure bacon and cheese and beer bread, all a good man needs, right? All right. Give it a good mix. Oh, yeah. It just takes you somewhere, right? Nothing like an old hick, right? For mixing, for chopping, for dicing, for hunting, cutting down saplings, and protecting the pit. All right, back to the ingredients. Throw in some chopped onions. And here we've got some cooked bacon. Most of the fat's been rendered out. And here we've got some shredded cheese. You can see where we're going with this one, right? Oh, man. This is some good eating at the pit. Again, give it a good mix. Now, if you don't have an old hick, I guess you can use a spoon, right? Now, because this is the Wolf and Rooster chapter, you gotta add an egg. And of course, the egg helps bind it. And to make it look real pretty, you're gonna chop up some parsley. Keep mixing. Now, this is what the spray is for, is to keep the bread from sticking to the side of the loaf pan. Now, we'll throw all those ingredients in there. And most of you know how to cook bread, but if you don't, this is how you do it. Oh, man. And take a little bit more of that leftover shredded cheese and just layer it on top. Simple enough. All right. We got the oven, and it's a wood fire oven all set up. And it's going to take about an hour, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And while we're waiting for the beer bread to bake, Blue House with the rent-own horns stops by to jam it up. Oh, yeah. Cheer, bro. And in the miracle of time, this bacon and cheese beer bread is done. Whoa. Take a look at that. Oh, can you smell that? It smells good. Now, you can eat it the way you want, set it up, but with some sliced cheese or some butter, you're talking good. So, the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BarbecuePitBoys.com.